There's a lot of craftsmanship that is involved here at this plant in Spirit Lake, Iowa. Each part has a hand on it. There's no robots that are putting these bikes together.
Being a motorcycle rider affects my job because I take a lot of pride in what I do. I think you go the extra mile to make it a better bike.
There's a string that ties all those people together, and when you see our product out there, it forms it. So, I mean, that's our standard, that's our emblem, and it forms a bond with the employees.
The Indian motorcycle is a work of art in itself because there's always something that's handled by hand. You can see the craftsmanship when you go into a dealership and you're looking at that perspective motorcycle. You're gonna step back and you're gonna be like, wow, that's an awesome looking bike.
We set our paint quality standard to the highest standard, right? Everybody here, every part they touch, they're touching it like it's gonna go on their motorcycle or it's gonna go on their kid's motorcycle, and that bike's theirs. And so they want it to be as perfect as it possibly can before it ever reaches our customer.
The Scout line is where I started, and I probably had my hands somewhere on my bike when I was building it. When it gets delivered from here to the dealership, that person that's going in there to buy that Indian, they're buying a quality product.
We know that by the time it gets to the end of the line, we've made a stellar product that's going to last a lifetime.